Hello everyone, welcome to Anjudhi Vlogs from Madrid, the capital, the vibrant capital of Spain. History, art, football, food and endless energy. Let's dive into the heart of this incredible city, Madrid. Last day we were in Barcelona. Let me tell you, it's colder than Barcelona and Madrid because it's around 1 degree, 5 degree and so on. In Barcelona it was around 8 degrees Celsius. We both got up early and we are outside around 10 o'clock. Our usual timing will be around 9 or 8. That's when we try to explore places, but here because of the cold we thought we will start a little late. It's not very late as well, it's 10 only, so we have enough time to explore the city. So we are here only for 2 days. Yesterday we didn't do much, so today is the day when we are going to explore properly the city. Let's see how much we can cover in one day. You can hear my throat is kind of down but still I'm going to explore, I'm going to talk so that my YouTube family is traveling with us and you are also going to explore with us. We would like to explore the city like a local, so we are going to take some bus from here, then the metro and so on. The bus is already here. From bus, next metro. Yeah, we just came out of the metro and this place is extremely great, full of Christmas market and you can find a lot of shops here, a lot of crowd and it's super cold. We were always thinking what is this real Madrid, because what is the meaning of real in Spanish? It means royal. So it's Royal Madrid. Let's start the Madrid vlog royally. So our first main destination is the Royal Palace of Madrid. And from outside itself it looks so powerful and grand. Look at the stunning architecture, guys. If you want to go inside the palace, you have to book tickets in advance. And if you're lucky enough, you can go inside during the free visiting hours. This is one of the largest palace in Europe. This palace is so huge. So maybe if you're going inside, it will take a lot of time to spend inside. Yeah, you can find some reels getting shot here. Wherever I go, I try to take some reels for my Instagram. So please do follow me there as well. Here you can find a visitor standing in queue for the entry towards the palace. And here there is a tuk-tuk. So if you want to take a tuk-tuk city tour, you can go for this one. Standing next to the palace is the Almudena Cathedral. Let's go inside and see how stunning the cathedral is gonna be. Just went inside the cathedral. It was a real divine feel, a bliss to our eyes and heart. Prayed for some time and came out. Such a beautiful, majestic church. Sham and me, we both together prayed a lot for some time. From this side of the church, you can find a great view of the city, Madrid city. Next to the palace is this park, Campo del Moro. Let's go inside and see the park. From this park, you can get a beautiful view of the palace. Campo del Moro Gardens. It's really quiet, green, and very peaceful. This is a perfect place to slow down and enjoy the view of the palace from a different angle. That's what we are doing right now. We are heading towards Puerta del Sol and it is full of vibrant energy. One of Madrid's most happening squares, always full of life and energy. So we are here to buy fridge magnet. We got some fridge magnet from here. The shop was really good because it had so many options for purchasing souvenir. And this is a beautifully decorated street with so many shops on either side. Duckland store. If afternoon itself is like this, you can imagine how the night time is gonna look like. Spanish shoe store. Because it's winter, I think majority of the collections are boots. Turkish delight. So many baklavas are there. This street is so long and it is full of vibe everywhere. Sham just got a cap from here. It's actually nice. The color is very rare. The street has so many other streets inside and those streets are also crowded, as you can see in the video. This is a Christmas display in front of a store. They started this tradition from 1979 and still they're following it up. In the evening there will be a musical light and sound show as well, which you can observe from here. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Kids will definitely love. There is a Disney feel to this, right? Walking through the street, we reached the Plaza Mayor. This is the main square of Madrid, and during Christmas it becomes even more magical, as you can see here already. A big Christmas market, lot of stalls, equally crowded. The square is surrounded by cafes, Christmas market, ancient building. All together, this market is the heart of the city. I believe during New Year also this will be great. The square will be great for sure. These are the shops surrounding the square. Next to the square is this food market filled with lot of Spanish delights. Let's go and see how the energy is there. From outside itself it is too lively. It's a paradise for food lovers. Let's go in. Definitely it's a lively food market. Kept heater also inside, so it's good in this climate to get inside this market. This is a meat shop with lot of different sausages, some drinks, orange, maracuja, raspberry. Wow, this is tempting, right? Tapas. Drinks. Meatballs. Salmon burger. I like salmon a lot. Octopus bowl. Spanish omelette. These are assorted Spanish omelette tapas. Those are paellas. You can find different types of croissant. From the market, we had some rare kind of a coffee which is called pumpkin spicy latte. That was really tasty with some Spanish masalas added to the coffee. And then we came to this restaurant because inside that market it was very crowded. So we didn't want to take a chance standing and eating. We wanted some peaceful time while having lunch. We had this one platos combinados which was very tasty, and now we are heading towards the next destination. In Barcelona, we were able to manage with English, but what we felt is in Madrid it is very difficult without knowing Spanish. I think because it's not a touristy place, and Barcelona is more a touristy place, there people speak more English. If you come here and if you know Spanish, you're gonna rock. And people definitely are great, be it in Barcelona, be it in Madrid. They are so helpful. Even without we asking for help, they are coming to us and helping us. Especially when we were trying to take tickets in metro and all. Initially, we were finding a bit of trouble. There was a kind lady who came to us and helped us. Then after that, we learned now how to take, and we are using Google Lens for translation at times. Even before I have come to Spain, so that time also I've told about people here. They are so kind, warm and helpful, very cordial people. Same thing we felt this time also when we visited Barcelona as well as in Madrid. This is another square, Plaza de la Villa. This is mainly the historic center of Madrid, historic square. All these are kind of in the walking proximity. Messi. Hola.
Cristiano, mejor.
So they said Cristiano, so they are Cristiano Ronaldo fans and we are Messi fans. Actually, we are right now in Real Madrid, so we should have got Cristiano Ronaldo one, but we couldn't buy this from Barcelona, so we are getting it from Madrid. Look how crowded the street is now. It's 2:30 and this is the situation here. This busy square is a Puerta Sol center. So this is the main square in that walking street. It's a big Christmas tree in the center of the Sol. This is another elegant walking area in Madrid, Grand Via. Just stepped out of the metro. When you're coming out itself, you can find a beautiful park, Retiro Park. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. If any of my Spanish friends are watching, please do correct me. And the park is really beautiful. This is the main symbol of the park that comes in the center. A beautiful fountain with a few angels placed on 4 different sides. This is the iconic lake in the park with so many artists around. This is a beautiful crystal palace behind me made up of glass. Right now some renovation is going on and there is a lake facing the palace. Being in Madrid, how can we miss visiting the stadium, the home to Real Madrid? Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. This is nothing less than a dream to football lovers. So we are also here to see how much we can cover from this area. Here also you can book for the stadium tour, like how we saw in the previous video from Barcelona. Here you can find more of Ronaldo. To all the Ronaldo fans, even though Ronaldo is not with this club currently, still he used to be part of this club once upon a time. Into the official store. Let's walk in together. This is 125 euro. We just got a similar shawl, Messi one. Here you can find for Real Madrid and some caps. There is some jacket, 120 euros. Nice bowl. After exploring most of the places in and around Madrid, we came back to our hotel. The hotel name is Hotel Nuevo Boston. Very good hotel. Let's go see the room tour. We loved the room. It is very spacious, and even the receptionist, he was so friendly and very helpful. And he even told us that there are free airport shuttles from the hotel. So tomorrow we have to leave this place and we are planning to take that shuttle. Yesterday we came to Madrid by train from Barcelona. It was a beautiful journey as always. Railway journeys across Europe is always beautiful. I always love railway mode even when I'm in India. I am a train person. When I was in college also, I used to take a lot of train journeys. Yesterday after reaching here, we got a lot of time in the evening, so we just wanted to see how the place is in and around the hotel. So we just walked to a nearby location to find some supermarket, and we came to this amazing shopping center. It's a mall, a very big mall. From outside it looked like small, but when we went inside it is like huge. And the shopping center name is Plenilunio, and you can find many good brands inside. Especially Primark, one of the most economical stores which we felt like. It has lot of shopping items for both boys and girls, gents and women. So today we will go and see the mall once again, because yesterday I didn't carry my microphone and speaker, so we couldn't record whatever we saw yesterday. I don't want my viewers to miss what we see, so I thought we will come here today also once again and explore the mall. Come, let's go inside. This is a store which I said has lot of economical stuff to shop from. As you can see, there is lot of offer running here. These small, cute kids jackets are for 16 euros and the selling price is 7 euros. So that is the difference. That is the offer we get here. This is nice, right? 3 to 4 years, 12 euro. So this is the gents session, 7 euros. You can buy this joggers and also the shirt. This is nice, right? For 16 euros. It's nice. Many of the brands are like made in Bangladesh, made in China, made in India also we saw here. India is 4.5 hours ahead of Spain. Right now it is 6:30, so in India it should be 11 now. Boys, 9 euro. We even got a nice cute t-shirt for our nephew Appu. One nice t-shirt. It was a Christmas special collection. Nice shoes for 18 euros. Upstairs we can find more of ladies' accessories, even makeup, cosmetic items, lingeries, etc. Some cozy socks. Nice stockings. Very nice. Lingeries. Red hot beauties. Nice jewelry for 3 euros. Earrings made in Turkey. So I'm planning to get the shoes. Very cute, right? You can find so many shops here. Yesterday we went to another building which is very near to this mall, and there was another food court there, and we had from KFC. It tasted almost similar to the Indian KFC, but still the masala was different. I felt they make it using olive oil, and also they don't add much of masalas like in India. So that is the difference I felt. Otherwise the taste was kind of similar. This time we thought we will go to Turkey. So this is Istanbul special doner kebab, box kebab. Super. Very tasty. And this is burger kebab. Madrid did surprise us the best way. So it is time to bid bye to Madrid. Let the places we visited, let the food we ate, the people we met, everything were amazing. And even this mall, we were able to do a great shopping here. Whatever you want, you can get from here. Even I got a cough syrup. See, when I started from Bengaluru itself, I had some issue. That's why it elevated a lot now. And also because of the climate, and I'm not taking care of my throat properly even after having so much of throat infection. That's why my voice is down. So I hope once I start taking the syrup, I should be all fine. Hope you liked my video from Madrid. Please do stay tuned to my channel. Tomorrow we are heading to another country. See you soon. Let that remain as a surprise. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Like and comment on my videos. I will definitely get back to you. Gracias. Thank you all. Love you. Adigos amigo.